Good morning, students. Today we will discuss exercise 6.3 related to the topic tangents and normals. In this exercise, first question, find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. To get the slope, what you have to calculate? The derivative of the given curve equation. The derivative is equal to 12x cube minus 4, and you want to calculate slope at x is equal to 4. It means at x is equal to 4, what is the value of this derivative? Here we'll put 12 into 4 cube minus 4, 468 minus 4, that is equal to 464. This is the answer. Find the slope to the tangent to the curve this at x is equal to 10, where x is not equal to 2 means what? Condition is this one, denominator should not be equal to 0. Now derivative of this, apply u upon v property, you will get derivative minus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square, and at point x is equal to 10, put x is equal to 10 in the derivative, you will get minus 1 upon 64. Third question, find the slope to the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. It means at x is equal to 2, you have to calculate the slope of the tangent. Find the derivative, 3x square minus 1. This is the derivative, and put x is equal to 2 and the answer will be 11. The slope of the tangent will be 11. Now question number 4th. In question number 4, read the statement. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve x cube minus 3x plus 2 at the point at x is equal to, x coordinate is 3. Now you can do this question. Find the derivative and put x is equal to 3. You are getting 24. That is the slope of the tangent. Then question number 5, parametric form is given to you. X is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta at the point theta is equal to pi by 4. Here you have to apply dy upon dx is equal to dy upon d theta upon dx upon d theta. You have to apply this formula. And what you will get, that is cot theta. And at point pi by 4, it means at the place of theta, you have to put pi by 4. And that is equal to 1 because cot 45 is equal to 1. So slope of the normal is, just a minute, slope of the tangent where I'm just talking about dy upon dx. Here you want to calculate slope of the normal. The slope of the normal is what? Minus of dx upon dy. Simplify it. Whatever you get dy upon dx, change the sign of that derivative and reciprocal it, you will get the slope of the normal, that is 1. Okay, that is minus dx upon dy. Direct you can solve it, dx upon dy with minus sign, that is a normal slope. I have calculated first dy upon dx, then I reciprocal it and change the sign of this derivative, then you will get the normal slope. Slope of normal. Okay. Now question number 6. In question number 6, read the statement. Find the slope to the normal to the curve x is equal to and y is equal to at the point theta is equal to pi by 2. Again you have to calculate, whether you can calculate dy upon dx and then reciprocal it and change the sign. Or otherwise you can do directly minus dx upon dy is the slope of the normal. Let's see. That is the derivative. Dx derivative is here, that is dx upon d theta. That is dx upon d theta and dy upon d theta. and minus of dx upon dy, or you can calculate dy upon dx first, then reciprocal it and change the sign, then you will get the slope of the normal, because product of the two perpendicular lines slope is equal to -1. From there we will get this one. Okay. Now question number 7. Question number 7 you can do your own. No problem, will be there. Question number 7 is, you have to remember the property of parallel lines. When the line is parallel to any parallel line, then slopes will be equal. Slopes will be equal. Now here is parallel to x-axis. If slope is parallel to x-axis, this means what? Derivative of the function will be equal to 0. Derivative of function will be equal to 0. Now question number 8, you can do 7. You're on. Question number 8, find the point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points. Here we can do this question. Just understand the question first. What is given? This curve equation is given and tangent is parallel to the chord joining the point, this one. Suppose this is a tangent and another chord. This is a chord having points 2, 0 and 4, 4. If you want slope of this chord, then it means what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and slope of these two lines, tangent and the line made by the points 2, 0 and 4, 4, both of the lines having the same slope. So slope from the curve, you will get 2 into x minus 2, and slope by using these 2 points, chord slope is equal to 2. Put them equal here and get the value of x, that is 3. If x is 3, then what is y? Calculate from the given curve equation. You will get y will be equal to 1. That is a point which you required. Question number 9. Find the point on the curve this at which the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. It means curve equation is given and the equation of the tangent is also given to you. Here is the slope. You can calculate by getting the derivative, 3x square minus 11. Slope of the line y is equal to x minus 11 is 1. The slope of this is 1. The slope of the tangent to the curve x cube minus 11x plus 5 equal to slope of the line y is equal to x minus 11. Now how to get the slope? Make the statement like this, y is equal to mx plus c. Compare this equation with it. What is the value of m? M is equal to 1. If m is equal to 1, it means slope of the line is 1. That's why it is written 1. Now put both the slopes equal. You will get the value of x plus minus 2. If x is 2, then what is y? Minus 9. From here, from the equation of the curve, you can get it. If x is equal to minus 2, what is the value of y? That is 19. So these are the 2 points which will satisfy the equation or not. You have to check it now. Now out of the point, which one point will satisfy? 2 comma minus 9 is a point which will satisfy the equation y is equal to x minus 11. So this is the answer. Now question number 10. Find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1 that are tangents to the curve this. I think you can do this question. Find the slope from the curve equation and put that equal to minus 1. Get the value of x and put the value of x and get value y. And you will get the points. that are points are 0 comma minus 1 and second will be 2 comma 1. We have discussed already this type of question. Now question number 11, find the equation of all lines having slope 2. I think this is the same one. Again, differentiate the function given equation of the curve, put equal to 2 because both are the slopes of the tangent, and get the value of x. The value of x will be equal to, let's see, what is the value of x? That is equal to, x is equal to, let's check it. Yes, here is, when you put the square of the, yes, here is the condition comes out. When you solve the question, when you put both slopes equal, you are getting x minus 3 whole square equal to minus 2. Whether the square of any number is negative? No, this is not the possible case. Not possible case because square of any number can never be negative. It is always positive. Okay. Now question number 12. In this question, you have to say no. Square of the real number cannot be negative, hence such tangent does not exist. Now question number 12. Do this your own. Few questions you have to do your own. I will left them. You just tried those questions and do your own. Question number 13. We have discussed certain 13 question type question in examples. We have discussed when the line tangent is parallel to the x-axis, then the slope is equal to 0. And parallel to y-axis, then slope of the normal will be equal to 0. Yes, we have discussed in example. Question number 14, do your own. Question number 15. Again, you can do if two lines are parallel then their slopes are equal, and if the lines are perpendicular then product of the slopes will be equal to minus 1. Now question number 16, you do your own. Question number 17, you do your own. Here you have to just remember that the slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate. Y coordinate means y is equal to x cube. It means the slope will be equal to x cube. Then you will get the, here if points are given x1, y1, then this becomes y1 will be equal to x1 cube. So x1 cube is equal to slope. And from here you can get the values of x. x1 is equal to 0 and 3. Corresponding to 0, y is 0. And corresponding to x is equal to 3, y is equal to 27. Now next question is the good question. Question number 18. Question number 18. Let's discuss this question. It's a good question. For the curve 4x, y is equal to 4x cube. Y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x cube. Find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Now let's do this question. Here this is the equation of curve and its derivative is 12x square minus 16x to the power 4. Now what is the equation of tangent if the point is, suppose x, here is x1 y1, just take x1 y1, okay, x1 y1 point. At point x1 y1, what is the equation of tangent? Let's see. Y minus y1 equal to slope at point x1 y1 is 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 to the power 4 into x minus x1. Now it is given that the tangent is passes through origin. Origin means point 0, 0. It means put y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0 in the tangent equation. So this becomes 0 minus y1 will be equal to 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 to the power 4, and it is minus of x1 because x is 0 and y is 0. Now here minus sign can be cancelled This minus sign and this minus sign can be cancelled. Y1 is equal to multiplied by 12x1 cube minus 10x1 to the power 5. I am here on this step. Here question is solved in a different way. I did it in a different way. We are here on this step. Now what is y1? X1 and x2 lying on this curve, it means y1 can be calculated from here. What is y1? 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5. Now you can equate them. Here we have equated these two equations. You can see here. Now simplify these statements. Cube terms taking one side and power 5 terms taking another side. And you're getting this one. And the solution of this is x1 equal to 0 and plus minus 1. If x1 is 0, then y1 is 0. X1 is 1, then y1 is 2. X1 is minus 1, then y1 will be minus 2. It means these are the 3 points. Which one? First is 0, 0. Second is 1, 2. Third is minus 1, minus 1. This is a good question. Now let's do next questions. Let's see which one is to be discussed. Find the point on the curve this at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis. This concept we have discussed. Do your own. Find the equation of the normal at a point this for which curve is given to you. Do this question your own. Both concepts we have discussed. I think you can do the questions. All questions are, all types are discussed. We have done few questions in examples and few we discussed in the exercise. You can do other questions up to 27 question. I think you can do these questions. Now do this exercise 6.3. Do this exercise 6.3. Thank you. Have a nice day.